emerges out of its huge assembly building and heads for the launch pad. Once at the pad, night and day, checkout and testing go on till the final countdown starts in the launch control room. The countdown continues until the 5 engines of the first stage ignite.
Imagine this. You are about to launch into space. Millions of dollars, years of work, thousands of engineers, one chance. And then just before you are about to leave Earth, the astronaut says,
"Let's get the girl to check the numbers."
Not the computer. Get the girl. Her name was Katherine Johnson. Everybody knows Neil Armstrong, John Glenn, the moon landing. But almost nobody knows the woman who made sure that they got it. Long before NASA, Katherine Johnson, she loved numbers. They weren't homework to her. They weren't assignments. They just, I don't know, they made sense. She counted everything: steps, distances, stars. By 10, she was already attending high school. By 18, she had graduated college with honors in mathematics, of all things. But here's the problem. You could be the smartest person in the room and still not be allowed in it. America wasn't just fighting the Cold War, it was segregated. NASA wasn't born integrated, it inherited segregation, segregated bathrooms, dining rooms, offices. Even the mathematicians were separated, usually a woman, whose job was solving equations by hand, thousands upon thousands of calculations every day. No calculator, no laptop, and no AI, just math. Now comes the famous story. NASA had computers, big ones, gigantic ones, brand new ones. Everyone trusted those machines except John Glenn. Right before Friendship 7 launched, he stopped everything and said,
She says they're good. I'm ready to go.
The she in that sentence was Katherine Johnson. He trusted her calculation more than the computers. And imagine earning that level of trust. If all those calculations were wrong, the capsule misses the orbit. It re-enters at the wrong angle, or John Glenn dies. That was the weight that she carried with her pencil. They celebrate the rockets. They celebrate NASA. But success rarely belongs to the loudest person in the room. Most times, oftentimes, it belongs to the person nobody bothered putting on the poster. This story isn't about math, it's about credibility. Katherine Johnson became so excellent that even the people who underestimated her had to depend on her. She didn't demand respect, she just earned trust over and over and over and over again. What does this mean today? 3 things. 1, master your craft, not for applause, for confidence. 2, sometimes your work enters the room before your name does. 3, when excellence becomes undeniable, the conversation changes from should they be here to we can't do this without them. That's BLEXCELLENCE, not waiting to be recognized, but becoming so valuable that they can't move forward without you. They called Katherine Johnson a computer. History calls her a pioneer. And the next time someone tells you one person can't change history, remember that sometimes history is most often written one equation at a time. Moves different.